Bitcoin is at $118,000 today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on with Bitcoin. Now, guys, Bitcoin has been pretty much kind of ranging, slowing down. We saw ETH kind of have a bit of a rally in the past week. Even in the past 30 days, ETH has been completely outperforming Bitcoin. Does this mean we're going to see Bitcoin start to slow down and see an altcoin season kick in? Or is just some repricing, and are we just going to see ETH finally catch up and Bitcoin and ETH continue to pump from here? Well, let's take a look at what is new with Bitcoin, because there's some new things that have gone on, so let's get right into it. Okay, now Bitcoin, guys, first off, they're, like I said, pretty much stagnant in the past week, and today, in the past month, still up 14%, and in the past year, guys, up 75%. Okay, now if we could see here, the TLDR, nothing too crazy, right? Just pretty simple stuff, nothing too, I guess, nothing crazy on the headlines, okay? Now, I want to share this. So the gold market cap is currently 20 trillion. The Bitcoin market cap is 2 trillion. So gold is worth 10x more than Bitcoin, right? Fair enough. Now, gold scarcity is 60 in the stock to flow ratio, okay? As opposed to the Bitcoin scarcity is 120 in the stock to flow ratio, okay? So Bitcoin is 2x scarcer than gold, which would then imply that, maybe if gold is, 10 times the value of Bitcoin, maybe you got to add an extra 2x multiple on that because of the scarcity. Now, regardless, in my opinion, Bitcoin is at least 10x undervalued, which would put Bitcoin at a price of 1,118,000, or 1 million, 1.1 million, yeah, 1.1 million, right? Regardless, it's crazy, okay? Like, holy smokes. And again, I do think that is definitely possible, maybe not this year, but definitely within the next couple of years. Now, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink has says that Bitcoin could reach $500,000 to $700,000, which again is amazing. Some people are saying, you need at least 5 to 6 years for this, and to be honest, guys, however years it takes, I don't think it really matters. The whole point is, keep stacking Bitcoin. Now, Google searches for buy Bitcoin have spiked as well, which is pretty interesting. It looks like a lot of people are getting more interested into Bitcoin once again. Maybe retail is waking up. We don't know. We're going to have to find out. Okay, now some more bullish news. Donald Trump's media has bought $2 billion more Bitcoin for its treasury. Very, very interesting. When you have the president buying Bitcoin, guys, or the president's companies, or whatever you want to call it, there's something there. Now, earlier I spoke about the whole altcoin season and Bitcoin pumping. Guys, I want to quickly share with you Bitcoin Hyper, which is a Bitcoin altcoin in the sense that it is a layer 2 for Bitcoin. Now, this is a pre-sale project, guys, and they've raised about $4 million here. I'm going to leave a link to it down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Very simple to buy. Just click buy with crypto and you can go ahead and ape in. Now, it's pretty interesting. It's like a layer 2, kind of similarly how there's, there's smart chain Binance and there's normal BNB, like the BNB token, or for Ethereum, there's like normal ETH and there's base ETH, right? So it's going to be Bitcoin and then Bitcoin Hyper Bitcoin, right? So a layer 2, very, very cool. Now, it is a pretty interesting project, guys. And again, I don't think it's going to revolutionize Bitcoin by any means, but because of the hype, because of everything going on with Bitcoin and altcoin season, this will probably pop off. So I will leave a link down below. Very simple to buy. Like I said, just click buy with crypto, connect your wallet, and boom, bada bing. Now, finally, guys, I want to share this article from December 5th, 2000. It's actually the year I was born, where it says internet may be just a passing fad as millions give up on it. And we could see, obviously the internet did not become a fad. It became, one of the most essential things to life. And people now say Bitcoin is just a fad. What's going to happen in about, 25 years from now? We're going to have to wait and find out. But guys, that is going to be for today's video. If you guys enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.